All right, Ethereum at 34.40. Back to where we were yesterday. A little bit above. We're trying to close above the EMA 8 on this 4-hour candle. We close in 48 minutes as of right now. Big time resistance up in this area on the 4-hour at least, around 3,600. If you zoom out, right, you can see that 786 back here around the 3,600 mark. And then also like these range lows. Look at this. Look at all these range lows. And the 200 is right there. So I think we got to get back above 3,600 for Ethereum, at least on the 4-hour, to gain more traction. This will highly likely be resistance when we get up here. And this is not Ethereum specific. This is just coins in general. If you get back to a major zone that breached very quickly, which we did, and you have a major moving average there, which we do, you're very likely going to hit here and then reject initially. And then you're just looking for like a higher low somewhere out here, which is more likely as well, given how fast we went down. Bounce back up to resistance, find your footing here, and then start to march back up the stairs again, right? That's what we're looking for. Much like we did over here, right? Higher low, right? Just march up the stairs here. Right? Bulls march up the stairs, bears found the window, right? There's the window. Okay, now we got to collect ourselves and pick ourselves back up again. There's the 4-hour. That's what I'm looking for. Let's look at, let's look at a 4-hour bounce here. So the 0.5 fib, what we said in the last video, like look at the 0.5. If you can recover the 0.5, you can start to gain traction, coincidentally or non-coincidentally, as I say. The 0.5 fib, it happens to be right in the damn middle of that zone we just drew, right? So get above 3,600. You can make more traction to the upside. All right, let's zoom out. How about the daily? Nice little wick into the Gaussian channel. Look at the tap right on the median line where the bulls hold the line. So far, so good. Nice recovery. If we close like this in 4 hours, right, that's Dragonfly Doji right there. High probability if you close there, which, 4 hours, anything can happen. But if we close like this, that'd be a high probability of follow through to the upside. Whether or not that takes us back to our 3,600 zone and then we drop back down again, who knows? But that's about as bullish of a candle as you would want. Moving down, high move higher, slightly higher than where you opened, right? Look at the range highs back here, range highs. If we can get above 3,600, we can make some traction. But watch also the EMA 8 in the red and the 21 in the yellow. That will act as, resistance as well. So, and those are kind of coming down. So if we take another few days to get up here, we could easily reject there. And then again, we're trying to find a higher low here. So maybe that's a low and then we, double bottom, retest of these lows, or, maybe find a higher low, 3,500 or something like that. And then we can, again, march back up here. And, I'm thinking January's probably the likely scenario for most coins to be back at their highs that we just saw over the past several weeks, if not sooner. And then alt season, shortly after that. So Ethereum picking itself off the floor here. Nice recovery so far. Let's zoom out a little bit more, see if we can get a better picture. Double test of where we did last candle off the 21 EMA. Again, long lower tail, even on the 3-day as well. We still have, this is only the first day of this 3-day candle. Would be great to see us close, in 2 days back above 4K. That would be amazing. Gaussian channel just turning green again as it back tested, right? Noting that Gaussian channel here. We right now, like we just bounced off of the 21 week and the 618, 3,200. Great. Nothing's bearish here, right? This is all bullish. You have, multiple weeks to the high side. Take a break, take a breather, remain healthy, and then rip again. Rinse and repeat going into alt season, right? Alt season's probably not that far away. It's just to shake everyone out. Make sure you're here for the good stuff, right? A lot of people already lost their ass and maybe sit on the sidelines for the next 78 years now because you got a little too stupid. Ethereum is not going anywhere. I would muchly, word of the day, muchly anticipate over 6,000 as alt season picks up. Probably still a couple months away from 6,000, but looking at our high range, we should easily clear 6K for Ethereum. I don't know if we can get to 12K for the 2618, but we'll see here. How's the breakout go? Does our breakout take us right to 5K? Then maybe we got a chance. But at least 6K for sure on the high time frame. End of cycle. I would say we can at least have a shot to knock on the door of 10, 8 to 10. Right? Still there, right? This is still just like textbook charts. Looks great. Nothing bearish about it. No matter what we did, right? We haven't closed yet. So yeah, if we close at 2,900, okay, then we can start to open the bear door. But until then, we've simply just, retested lower, shake out all of the paper, and watch for the diamonds.